Welcome back to your Be Your Own Boss YouTube channel where I talk about getting gig economy jobs, finding routes for your truck, box truck, van, or semi, getting passive income, or starting a business. Anything to help you level up in life and get out to find the 5 rat race. We about that. So you see the title, you see the thumbnail, back with another delivery gig economy type video. Rapidus, California-based company, as you see. But they are expanding to other areas, Colorado, Washington, and Texas, and coming to more East Coast cities to come, from what I read on other sources. Now, other people in Facebook groups and other forums said they're making pretty good money from this app. So if you're in this California areas, definitely try it out. Let me know. Leave a comment below if you're already a Rapidus employee or I guess partner, as we should say. So they tout themselves as the Uber of last mile delivery partners and packages. Very original, guys. But top 10 reasons to be a delivery person with Rapidus. No passengers, same stuff everybody touts. Flexible schedule, deliver for 30 minutes, 2 hours, up to you. Weekly payout, 24-hour support. No penalty for skipping delivery requests. That's awesome. Got to be 21 years or older, own a rented car with valid registration, a valid driver license. This is as insured driver and high and positive customer service, blah, blah, blah. Delivering on the Rapidus marketplace is a great way to earn extra money. And yeah, it's a full-time job. Are you available? So as we see here, we got the application. You want your standard name, photo of you, mobile phone number, standard stuff that looks like Uber requests. Very look similar like the Uber sign-up application as well. They actually might be secretly partnered or backed by Uber. So if you've been kicked off of Uber platform, this may not work for you. Not sure. But yeah, driver agreement, what type of vehicle, and experience. So it looks like you can drive any type of vehicle, any size. I guess electric vehicles would be great for this type of gig economy job. But Rapidus, gets you going, gets you moving during slow periods. Haven't really seen how much people are making off this, but I do hear that the pay is pretty good. But unfortunately, they're not everywhere in the country. So for you California, Colorado, and Washington, Texas people, let us know what you think. Rapidus, we out.